I wanted to introduce myself properly so you understand why I'm so determined to do these videos. I've worked as a therapist since I was 21. I've been lucky. My job has taken me all around the world. We spent a couple of seasons working in Formula One, and I've been on tour with bands like Faithless and the Spice Girls. Mostly my job is making people feel human, so that they can go out and damage themselves again, and when they come back to me, I fix them. I go to people's homes and to their businesses and to their events, and I rock up and make you feel good and tiptoe out the door. Now, I'm obviously, like everyone else, struggling with the fact that I can't do my job at the moment, which is very frustrating when I see the amount of anguish and frustration and anxiety that people are exhibiting, and I'm not in a position to offer my skill set and my hands to make them feel right again. So these massage techniques that we're showing you in these short videos are designed for you to help yourself as much as you can, so that when lockdown is over and done with, myself and colleagues like me can come out and make you feel right again. But in the meantime, you've managed your own mental health and your own pain management. So have fun with them.